In this video, I will show you how to join a job as an external company coordinator, how to add workers, and mark tasks as completed. Once you open the application page, the login screen will appear. In the first text field, enter your email address. In the next field, enter your password. Once the data is filled in, click the Login button to access the system. After logging in, the user is redirected to the main screen with basic job information. At the top of the screen, you'll find basic information, job name, contractor company, team leader's name, and the location where the job is to be performed. Further down, start and planned completion dates, as well as the approving person, are displayed. In the middle of the screen, there is a list of assigned tasks that need to be completed as part of the job. Tasks become visible after joining the job. At the bottom, there is a section with a list of invited employees assigned to the job. On the right side, you can see information about the current and required number of workers for this permit. To get started, click the green button in the bottom right corner of the screen. After clicking, a window will appear with information about potential hazards and required personal protective measures. You must read and accept them. After accepting the hazards, confirm joining the job. This will give you access to the tasks and the ability to mark them as completed. To see more information, click the Details button at the bottom of the screen. To invite a new person to this job, click the text field in the Invited Worker section. You can select a worker from the list or create a new one. After selecting a worker, click Invite to send a job invitation. They will receive an email with the required training and hazard information. If the invited worker does not have access to a device with the application, their coordinator can confirm that they have been informed about the hazards. To do so, click Confirm next to the employee's name. After reviewing the hazards, click Confirm Joining. The system records who reviewed the hazards, whether it was the worker themselves or their coordinator. Tasks are divided into 3 stages. First, preparatory tasks are performed, involving the completion of necessary consents, declarations, and signatures to obtain permission to start the work. In the second stage, there is a checklist of main tasks carried out under the permit. In the third stage, tasks restore the workplace to its original condition, including inspections. The number of tasks is set in the template and can be modified freely. To mark a task as completed, click the green button next to its name. Tasks can be completed without additional confirmation, with a required password, or by manually signing on the device screen. The system records these confirmations in the permit print matrix. Start with preparatory tasks to proceed to the next stage. After approving the preparations, proceed to the main tasks. Once completed, mark them as finished. Finally, complete the final tasks that conclude the work process. Marking them as completed automatically closes the job order.